Alright, welcome back for another video. Today we are going to be working on the Cobalt SS. So I do have a problem with the AC switch slash blower. It's one of those two problems, but I think I have the problem solved. So we'll get right into it. Go to use the AC. And try notch number 1, nothing. Try notch number 2 on the blower, nothing. Notch 3, nothing. Turns out there is 3 possibilities. So turn you around here, this is what happens. You can hear the infamous motor for the door flap inside there. I do have a new one for that. It's just extremely hard to get to on the side, kind of way back on the firewall right side. I do have to change that out, but back to the blower motor. So as you can see, obviously off. 1, nothing. 2, nothing. 3 and 4. So today we're going to fix that. So there are 3 possibilities, like I said. One being the switch could actually go bad in here, contact's bad. The second, I'll show you up in here. I have no idea. The car came with spray foam. They obviously tried to fix something. I couldn't tell you why, but a leak or something, I'm sure. But up inside of here, right here, is the blower motor resistor. That's possibility 2. And then obviously your motor, if there's something wrong with it, that is the 3rd possibility. So after trial and error, I did get a switch, replaced that, tried it, still the same thing. So we're gonna go ahead and change out the resistor up inside here. Just have a clip right back there. Pull that clip, slide out the wire. There's a little tab on the front and a tab on the back side that you can't see. We're gonna change that out. Here is the new resistor. Fresh, clean. Let's get it installed. So you just want to make sure this clip for your wire is facing outward. We'll slide it back up in. Clips in place. Right there. Put the wire back on. Clip that in place. Let's give it a try. Alright, let's turn the car on and try again. Off. But it is working. All speeds. Ready to go. So I hope this helped somebody out there. This can apply to most vehicles, not just the Cobalt SS. Other than that, please leave a comment, like the video, subscribe, check us out on the next video.